Welcome to Our Daily Health, How to Treat Acne. 5 easy recipes of egg masks to reduce the acne. Natural cures for acne. Acne is a skin condition not limited to those on the edge of puberty or teenagers. It occurs in adulthood too. Acne is almost everyone's worst nightmare. It can make you feel too conscious about yourself and may even affect your self-esteem. It results from oily cosmetics, stress, and oily foods. It may even be genetic, passed down from generation to generation. Sounds scary, right? Okay, you don't need to get yourself in a frenzy just yet. There are several natural cures for acne that may give you a great result. You have probably researched several remedies that could cure your skin condition. Remember that skin types vary and the effects of any cure or skincare products differ with people. In this video, we are exploring 5 easy egg mask recipes to help reduce acne. These recipes are cheap to put together. Eggs are essential staples that can be found in almost every home. They can hydrate your skin, repair tissues, and even protect your skin from blisters and sunburn. You can reap the wonderful benefits of these egg mask recipes without the ill effects of chemicals present in some face scrubs and face washes. How to treat acne, 5 easy recipes of egg masks to reduce the acne. Natural cures for acne. Number 1. Egg white and lemon mask. Egg whites are commonly used in skincare recipes for masks. Egg whites may act as a mild astringent. It may tighten the skin, inhibit acne-causing bacteria, absorb excess oil, and improve overall skin appearance. Lemon juice may also play a role or two in preventing bacterial infection. This face mask is fantastic for individuals with oily skin. Combine 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a bowl. Whisk well, wash your face with warm water, then apply the mixture to your face using a cotton pad. Let it stay on your face for up to 30 minutes, then rinse off with cold water. You can utilize this mask 3 times a week. Number 2. Egg and avocado mask. Avocado has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains abundant vitamin E that may protect your skin from acne-causing bacteria. It can also reduce acne swelling. Beat egg properly and mash the avocado into a paste. Combine together and add 1 tablespoon of milk and honey each. Use the mix to your face and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 3. Egg white with lemon juice and honey mask. This face mask helps tighten your skin pores and nourish your skin. To make it, combine egg white, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Make sure you whisk the egg white until it appears foamy. Wash your face with warm water, then apply the mixture on your face using a cotton pad. Leave it on your face for approximately 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use this face mask on oily skin for removal of excess oil and improvement of your skin texture. Number 4. Egg white and grapes. This face mask may have a hydrating effect for those with dry skin. Combine 1 egg white and 7 grapes into a blender. Blend until you get a smooth and consistent mixture. Wash your face with warm water before applying. Leave the mask for 15 minutes. Rinse off the mask with warm water. Use your regular moisturizer after removing the mask. When selecting your grapes, we recommend that you choose those with seeds so you can reap the potential benefits of the grape seed oil. Number 5. Egg yolk and cucumber juice mask. This face mask can help reduce acne, revitalize your skin, and improve your skin texture. Cucumber juice acts as a natural astringent and may help remove excess oil from the skin. Yogurt can also help moisturize the skin. Whisk egg properly. Combine with 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice, yogurt, and honey each. Mix well until the paste is smooth and consistent. Wash your face. Use the mix on your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask with cold water. Tips to note and follow. Make sure you consult with your doctor before using any of these facial regimens. If you are allergic to poultry or poultry-related products like eggs, don't use any skincare product made from eggs. Follow your skincare routine thoroughly to prevent acne from forming. Use products that suit your skin. Egg face masks are not only affordable, but also very effective and beneficial to your skin. With easily sourced and gotten ingredients, you can rewrite your acne genetic history. What egg mask do you like best? Share your answer in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.